Hi, I'm Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. Today we're going to talk about how to do the perfect asparagus recipe using Italian dressing. Now the ingredients for this are just salt, pepper, Italian dressing, and fresh asparagus. Couldn't be any simpler than that. Now what I like to do is leave the bands around the asparagus that it comes in from the store, because we're going to trim off all the ends of the asparagus. If you're not familiar with this, the root end of the asparagus is kind of tough, and so you always want to trim that off, and just leaving the rubber bands on makes that a little bit easier. Now we're just going to cut off the bottom 2 or 3 inches of those stems, and make sure that you've washed the asparagus, of course, before you use it. Now we'll take the bands off. Just place your asparagus in a baking dish. We'll drizzle the Italian dressing over it. A little fresh cracked pepper. Some fresh sea salt. And then I like to just give it a light toss with my hands, and that gives the asparagus a nice coating with the dressing. And you want to make sure and use an oil-based Italian dressing for this. You don't want to use a light Italian dressing because those are usually water-based, and you really need the oil to completely coat the asparagus and just stay on it as it wraps around and infuses all the flavors that Italian dressing has. Now we're going to roast this asparagus in a 350-degree oven for about 8 to 12 minutes, depending on how thick your asparagus stalks are. The asparagus should be just about done. Let's check it and see. Oh, that looks amazing. This Italian dressing over the asparagus can not only be used to roast it like we just did, but you can use the same recipe and toss your asparagus on the grill if you're going to be grilling out, or you can even toss it in a saute pan and just saute it quickly. This goes great with chicken or pork, and it's really, really easy and really delicious. I'm Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. Thank you for watching our recipe for the perfect asparagus with Italian dressing.